Welcome guys, today we have a Galaxy S8 Plus. We have to remove the screen and the back glass, but before we get started I want to thank everyone that subscribed to my channel, liked my videos and helped me share them. And I also want to thank Young Haitian Women in Action and Mokocheta Production for the support. So let's get started. The way the LCD is messed up, we cannot turn the screen off, so we have to be careful when we heat up the back. We don't damage the battery or anything inside the phone, so we have to be very careful. Okay, heat up the back glass. Use the suction cup and get something flat and thin that can go underneath the glass, just like you see. And just try to go around it. Okay, now we are removing the screws. This is for the wireless charger, so we have to remove that. We have to disconnect the battery. Okay, now we have to remove the cover from the back that's covering the charging port. We have to, so we can disconnect the cables. Okay, we got a couple screws from the bottom we have to remove. Screw in the headphone jack in place, we have to remove those. Now we have to disconnect the cables for the signal, the internal cable. We have to remove logic board, and we also have to remove the charging port from the phone. We have to transfer them into the new screen. That's the vibrator. We have to remove it from the old one and put it into the new one, just like that. That's the earpiece from the top. We have to remove it. There's a glue that's holding it down. You can use the heat gun to heat it up a little bit to loosen up the glue. And we have to remove it and put it into the new one. For the battery part, I have another video I'm gonna put just to show you how to remove the battery. If you don't know, if you don't want to try it, because this battery is a lithium battery, they can explode. So you can buy another battery if you know you're gonna do that process, that step. You buy the new battery. Or if you don't want to buy a new battery, your battery is still good, I will have another video to show you how to remove it so you can reuse it again. Now we put the battery in place just like it was in the old one. Now we're gonna connect the cable, the logic board with the charging port. Now we place the front camera and the sensor in place. Now connect some of the cables. The white and blue cable, don't forget to connect those two in place. Okay, the blue cable is on the bottom, the white cable is on the top. So blue cable is first, then you connect the white one, just like you see. There you go. Now they are in place. You can finish connecting the rest of the cables. Okay, put the screws from the bottom that we removed last time, so put them back in place. Okay, put the cover. Connect the battery now. That's for the wireless charger. I'm gonna put that in place. Put the screws. Secure it down. that we're done with the screws, we can try and see if the screw will turn on. You don't have to fully test it, just have to make sure it turns on. And it looks good. There you go. Okay, now we can turn it off and finish it up. Now we have to transfer the camera lens and the Touch ID from the old one to the new one. Now we have to connect the Touch ID cable. Since the cable is not long, we have to use a pry tool just to connect the cable. Now we can fully test the screen to make sure everything works. There you go. Perfect. The volume up and down. There you go. So that's it. We're done. You can just turn it off and all good. Thank you for watching. Subscribe please with the videos, share them.